Okay. So 7 get in this practice set 12, we are going to learn multiplication of fraction. Okay. So in this case, I told you that 7 get multiplied with 1 and 5 get multiplied with 4, means numerator get multiplied with numerator and denominator get multiplied with denominator. So 7 get multiplied with 1 and 5 get multiplied with 4. So 7 ones are 7 upon 5 fours are 20. So 7 upon 20 is our answer. In this case also 5 get multiplied with 4 because numerator get multiplied with numerator, right? And denominator get multiplied with denominator. So 5 into 4 upon 9 into 9. So 5 fours are 20 and 9 nines are 81. So 20 upon 81 is our answer. In this case also numerator get multiplied with numerator, means 6 get multiplied with 2 and 7 get multiplied with 5. So 6 twos are 12 upon 7 fives are 35. So 12 upon 35 is our answer. Now in this case 9 get multiplied with 7 and 7 get multiplied with 8. Why? Because numerator get multiplied with numerator and denominator get multiplied with denominator. So 9 sevens are 63 upon 7 eights are 56. But here is one number that in that table 63 and 56 both are there. That is 7 nines are 63 and 7 eights are 56. If such a number where the number can be converted into its lowest form, so in that case we can divide both the number numerator as well as denominator by the same number. So 9 upon 8 is our answer. Okay. Now move to next problems. Here it is word problem. Of the total number of soldiers in our army, okay, 4 upon 9 are posted on the northern border and 1/3 of them on the northeastern border. Okay, कुछ सोल्जर जो है वो नॉर्दर्न बॉर्डर पे है, ओके, कुछ सोल्जर्स जो है वो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न बॉर्डर पे है, ठीक है. If the number of the soldiers on the northern border is 5,40,000, तो 5,40,000 सोल्जर्स जो है वो नॉर्दर्न बॉर्डर पे है, ठीक है. तो हाउ मेनी आर पोस्टेड इन नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न बॉर्डर, मतलब टोटल आर्मी जो है उसमें से 4/9 ये नॉर्दर्न बॉर्डर पे है, ओके, और 1/3 जो है वो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न बॉर्डर पे, ओके. तो उन्होंने क्या दिया है, अगर 5,40,000 जो सोल्जर्स है वो नॉर्दर्न बॉर्डर पे है तो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न बॉर्डर पे कितने हैं, जैसे 4/9 मतलब 5,40,000 उन्होंने अपना नंबर दिया है और 1/3 जो है उसमें वो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न बॉर्डर पे है. तो टोटल नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न बॉर्डर पे कितना है, 1/3 है, मतलब कितना है वो उन्होंने पूछा है, ठीक है. सो दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट 1/3 ऑफ 5,40,000 मीन्स हाउ मच, राइट. So total number of soldiers in north, how many soldiers are there in northern border? Total 5,40,000. Out of that, 1/3 of the soldiers are to the northeastern part, right? 1/3 of 5,40,000 are in northeast. Understood? Now number of soldiers posted on the northeast is equal to ये जो है 1/3 into 5,40,000, because we are going to learn multiplication of fraction. So here 1/3 of 5,40,000 is given, right? 1/3 of 5,40,000 is given. Okay, so 1/3 of 5,40,000 means how much? So what you are going to do, you are directly multiply this 1/3 into 5,40,000. Okay, in simple way I am going to tell you how to convert this. For example, here अगर यहाँ पे 1/3 रहता है into 9 है, तो how to convert this, how to multiply this number as 3 ones are 3 or 3 threes are 9. Here it will come 3. 9 को डिवाइड करना है डायरेक्टली 3 से, so 3 ones are 3 और 3 threes are 9. So आंसर क्या आएगा आपका, 3 ones are 3 मीन्स आंसर आएगा आपका 3, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे सेम केस है 1/3 इंटू 5,40,000. तो आप क्या करोगे 5,40,000 को डिवाइड करोगे 3 से. आई विल शो यू हाउ. ओके सो डिवाइड दिस. कभी भी ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता है इफ यू विल आस्क क्वेश्चन लाइक दिस 5,40,000 1/3 5,40,000 or else 1/3 into any number or else 2/9 4/6 into any number. What you are going to do, you will divide this number by denominator. Okay, so now 5,40,000 get divided by 3. Okay, now here 3 ones are 3, right? 3 ones are 3. Now 5 minus 3 is 2, and then we will take 4 as down, right? Now 3 8s are 24, right? 3 8s are 24. So 24 minus 24 is how much? It is 0, right? Now we will take another 0. Okay, okay, then another 0, then another 0, and then another 0 for this to divide, है ना? इसको डिवाइड करने के लिए हम 0 0 लेते जाएंगे. तो what will be the answer? 1,80,000. So how many soldiers are there to the northeast? 1,80,000. So what we have learned, pay attention everyone. This total number of soldiers in the north are 5,40,000. Now 1/3 of 5,40,000 are in northeast. Number of soldiers posted on the northeast is 1/3 into 5,40,000. Now divide this 5,40,000 by 3. So you will get the answer 1,80,000. जो भी आपको आंसर मिलेगा that will be your answer 1,80,000. Clear everyone? I hope everyone is clear. Okay, we'll see another sum so that your doubts will be clear. Okay. Now reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. ठीक है? So in multiplication we have seen how to multiply numbers. This numerator get multiplied with numerator and denominator get multiplied with denominator. 5 6 are 30 upon 6 5 are 30. Now 30 divided by 30 is equal to what? 1. Okay. Now here 4 into 1/4. Now this 4 get multiplied with 1, right? Numerator. See, in this case 4 means what? 4/1. 4 means what? 4/1. 4/1. कभी भी अगर ऐसा नंबर आता है कि 4 है इंटू 1/4 और 2/3 है, तो ये 4 इज नथिंग बट 4/1. तो फिर हम लोग न्यूमरेटर को न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, डिनोमिनेटर को डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. सो 4 into 1, okay, upon 1 into 4. So 4 into 1 is 4 and 1 into 4 is what? 4. Now 4 into 4/4. अगर न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में सेम नंबर है, if the same number is there in the numerator as well as denominator, so it will be cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are, दोनों 4 और 4 के टेबल में है. So the answer is what? 1. If the number is like, for example, 6/6, so what will be the answer? Tell me in chat box. What will be the answer? 6/6. What will be the answer if 6/6 is there? 6/6 is there, then what will be the answer? 1. Very good, Jay Singh, Pragati, Lokesh. Correct. Okay. That means what? If the same numbers are there in numerator as well as denominator, the answer will be what? 1. Right? So यहाँ पे 4 into 1 means 4. 1 into 4 means what? 4. 4/4 means the answer is what? 1. Now here also 3 into 2 6. 2 into 3 6. So 6/6 is what? 1. Now here in this case 71 get multiplied with 3. Quickly do, what is the answer of 71 into 3? quickly do and let me know in your chat box. What will be the answer? 71 into 3. 71 into 3. Give me answer in chat box. 71 into 3. Yes, correct. Correct. Very good. Very good. 213. Very good. Okay. So if 71 get multiplied with 3, then what will be the answer? 213. Okay. Now if 3 get multiplied with 71, then if 3 get multiplied with 71, then what? What will be the answer in denominator? If 3 get multiplied with 71, then what will be the answer? Same only, correct, same only. Because when 71 get multiplied with 3, the answer is 213. If 3 get multiplied with 71, the answer is 213. Now if 213 in the numerator and 213 in the denominator, then what will be your final answer? If 213 is there in numerator and 213 is in denominator, then what will be our final answer? Yes, let me know in chat box. 1. Very good. 1. Correct. Correct. Good. Okay. What will be the answer? It is 1. Understood, everyone? Means numerator get multiplied with numerator. Denominator get multiplied with denominator. What the answer we got? That is if both the answers are same in numerator as well as denominator, then the answer is what? 1. But if the answer is 2 upon 3, then it will remain as it is. It will not be 1. It will remain as it is. Okay. I hope everyone clear. Okay. I hope everyone understood it well. Yes. Good. Now move to next practice set. That is practice set 13. Okay. This practice set is same as that of practice set 12. The only difference is what? The only difference is, see, in this case, first we'll see the reciprocal of the following number. If 4 is there, okay, 4 is nothing but 4 upon 1, right? 4 is nothing but, 4 means what? 4 upon 1. अगर ऐसा नंबर है जिसके डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ भी नंबर नहीं है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैंने 4 का एग्जाम्पल लिया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 है, इसके डिनोमिनेटर में कोई नंबर है? इज देयर एनी नंबर इन डिनोमिनेटर? yes or no? No, there is no any number in denominator, right? So that means what? The denominator is what? 1. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर 0 नहीं रहता. अगर कोई भी न्यूमरेटर में, कोई भी नंबर में अगर डिनोमिनेटर नहीं है, तो वो डिनोमिनेटर 0 नहीं होता है, वो क्या होता है? 1. So denominator considered as 1. Now what will be the reciprocal? Reciprocal means what? Exactly inverted, उल्टा. ठीक है, 4 upon 1 है तो उसका क्या हो जाएगा? 1 upon 4. Okay, so reciprocal means what? Invert the number. So we will write this 4 upon 1 is nothing but reciprocal. What the reciprocal of 4 upon 1 is? 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. Clear? Exactly invert. Reciprocal means what? Invert. Reciprocal means what? Invert. Now if I'll take an example of 7. So 7. So if no denominator is there in 7, so we consider it as 1. Okay, 7 upon 1. Now we can write reciprocal of 7 upon 1 is what? 1 upon 7. So reciprocal of 7 is what? 1 upon 7. Clear? Again, we'll take another example. If, for example, 2 upon 3 is there. 2 upon 3 is there. Okay. Now, what will be the reciprocal of 2 upon 3, as denominator is 3 and numerator is 2, and we will invert the number. So, what would be the reciprocal of 2 upon 3? It is 3 upon 2. Because 2 upon 3 का उल्टा क्या हो जाएगा? 3 upon 2. The invert reciprocal of 2 upon 3 is what? 3 upon 2. The denominator become numerator and numerator become denominator. Okay. Clear, everyone? I hope everyone understood this. Correct. Okay. Very good. Very well responses, student. Okay, now in this case, 5 upon 13, 5 upon 13. Now 5 upon 13, the reciprocal of 5 upon 13 is what? 13 upon 5, because denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. Simple, right? Now 6 upon 7, the reciprocal of 6 upon 7, what it would be? 7 upon 6. Now I will give you one example and give me answer in your chat box. What would be the reciprocal of 4 upon 5? What would be the reciprocal of 4 upon 5? What would be the reciprocal of 4 upon 5? It is 5 upon 4. Good. Good, everyone. It would be 5 upon 4. It would be 5 upon 4. Right. Okay. Good, everyone. It would be 5 upon 4. Very nice. Okay. So 4 upon 5. Now tell me, what would be the reciprocal of 9? What would be the reciprocal of 9? I am very appreciating those who are giving me answer. Okay. 9. What would be the reciprocal of 9? 1 upon 9. Correct, 1 upon 9. Because see, in this case 9 is there, no? So we consider no denominator. So we consider it as 1. And then our reciprocal will be what? 1 upon 9. So what would be the reciprocal of 9? It is 1 upon 9. Good. It is 1 upon 9. Reciprocal of 9 is what? 1 upon 9. My third question to you is, what would be the reciprocal of 1 upon 5? What would be the reciprocal of 1 upon 5? 5 upon 1, or else you can say it as 5 only. Because we convert that 1 upon 5 into 5 upon 1 now, and 5 upon 1 is nothing but 5. 5 upon 1 is nothing but 5. So your answer would be 5 only. Okay? वो तो हम बनाते हैं, अगर 4 है तो उसको 4 upon 1 कर, आपको अंडरस्टैंड होने के लिए मैंने बताया है कि 4 is nothing but 4 upon 1, and then we convert that it into 1 upon 4. बट अगर आपको 1 upon 5 का रेसिप्रोकल पूछा है तो आपको 5 upon 1 नहीं लिखना है, ओनली 5, बिकॉज 5 upon 1 का डिनोमिनेटर में वैल्यू नहीं होता है. ठीक है? इन डिनोमिनेटर देयर इज नो वैल्यू फॉर 1. ठीक है? तो वी कंसिडर इट एज दैट वैल्यू न्यूमरेटर ओनली. सो द आंसर इज 5 ओनली. अंडरस्टूड? Clear, everyone? I hope everyone understood this. Okay. So now the second question is, carry out the following division. Carry out the following divisions. Now here 2 upon 3 is there. We have seen multiplication, addition and subtraction of fractions. Now we have seen multiplication of fractions, right? Now we are going to learn division of fractions. Okay. In this case 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 comes down as it is. Now divide sign, we have to convert the divide sign into multiplication sign. ठीक है? Divide sign get converted into multiplication sign. Please pay attention, everyone. Here one twist is there in the sum. Okay, here divide sign, जैसे ही आपको division का sum आता है, आपको second step क्या होना चाहिए? आपका division sign get converted into multiplication sign, and as the division sign get converted into multiplication sign, your number get inverted. ये जो number है ना दूसरा वाला 1 upon 4, ये क्या हो जाएगा? 4 upon 1. ठीक है? तो as soon as your division sign get converted into multiplication sign, the second fraction, ये जो second fraction है, that will become reciprocal. That will become reciprocal. The most important step in this division is 2 upon 3 remain as it is. Division sign get converted into multiplication sign, and as the division sign get converted into multiplication sign, your second fraction will get inverted. Your second fraction will get inverted, or it will becomes reciprocal. ठीक है? So 1 upon 4 get converted into 4 upon 1. Now the sum is easy, right? 2 get multiplied with 4 and 3 get multiplied with 1. 3 get multiplied with 1. So 2 4s are 8 upon 3 1s are 3. Simple. Understood? दिस डिवीजन साइन गेट, आपको क्या करना है, डिवाइड साइन का कन्वर्जन किसमें करना है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन के साइन में। और जैसे ही आपका साइन चेंज होता है, आपका जो सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन है वो जो 1/4 था वो क्या हो जाएगा, इन्वर्टेड, मीन्स 4/1 हो जाएगा। नाउ द स्टेप बिकम्स इजी टू गेट न्यूमरेटर गेट मल्टीप्लाई विथ न्यूमरेटर and denominator get multiply with denominator. That means what, 2 get multiply with 4 and 3 get multiply with 1. Now 2 4s are 8 upon 3 ones are 3. Simple. Now in this case also 5/9, this divide sign get converted into multiplication sign. As this divide sign get converted into multiplication sign, your second fraction will get inverted, means 3/2 becomes 2/3, right? Now here 5 get multiplied with 2 and 9 get multiplied with 3. So 5 2s are 10 and 9 3s are 27. So 10/27 is your answer. Clear everyone? Very simple sums these are, right? Very simple sum. Only this divide sign get converted into multiplication sign. As this multiplication sign will be there, the second fraction will become inverted. Now 2 get multiplied with 4 and 3 get multiplied with 1. Now 2 4s are 8 upon 3 1s are 3. Similarly in this sum, 5 get multiplied with 2 and 9 get multiplied with 3. So 5 2s are 10 upon 9 3s are 27. So 10/27 will be the answer. Clear everyone? Okay. I hope everyone has understood this. It is simple, correct? It is very easy. Very easy. Yeah, very easy. Okay. Now next step is, the next term is word problem. These are okay. So there were the Swachh Bharat campaign. They cleaned 42/75 part of the town Sevagram. What part of Sevagram did each student clean if the work was equally shared by all? मतलब 420 students were there, okay, and 420 students cleaned 42/75th part of Sevagram. Okay, सेवाग्राम का उन्होंने इतना पार्ट क्लीन किया, 42/75th. Okay. So each student cleaned 42/75 divided by 420 part of Sevagram. Okay. So 42/75 remain as it is, और हम convert करेंगे divide का sign multiplication में, and this 420 is equal to 420/1. तो हमको convert करना पड़ेगा 420 divided by 1 into 1/420. Now 42 get multiplied with 1 and 75 get multiplied with 420. So 42 ones are 42 and 75/75 into 420. ये जो करेंगे आप sum, तो the answer will be 1/750. Okay. So total 420 students are there. Okay, 420 students are there. So 420 students clean 42/75 part of Sevagram. So each student clean 42/75 divided by 420. हमको क्या करना है? Wait a minute. This 42/75 divided by 420 ये sum solve करना है, right? Now 42/75 this divide sign हम लोग directly divide नहीं करना है, हमको convert करना है. This divide sign get converted into multiplication sign. Now this 420 consider as 420/1. So when we convert the divide sign into multiplication sign, it will become 1/420. Right? Now 42 get multiplied with 1 and 75 get multiplied with 420. तो ये 420 को ना हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 10 into 42, 10 है ना. So this 42 of numerator and 42 of denominator get cancel. मैंने पहले ही बताया है, अगर numerator और denominator में same value रहती है तो that will be cancel and your answer will be 1. So 42 get multiplied with cancelled with this 42. and 1 upon 75 into 10 means 1 upon 750. Okay, so a student clean 1 upon 750th part of sevagram. Understood? I hope everyone has cleared their doubt here. आपको सिर्फ एडजस्टमेंट यहाँ पे करनी है. 420 मीन्स 42, 42 टेंस आर 420. सो यहाँ का 42 और यहाँ का 42 कैंसिल हो जाएगा और हमको आंसर मिलेगा 1 अपॉन 75 इंटू 10. सो 75 इंटू 10 मीन्स व्हाट 750. सो द आंसर इज 1 अपॉन 750. Okay. Let's do another sum. Okay, here. So here our fourth chapter means operation on fractions has been completed. Okay, our fourth chapter operation on fractions has been completed. Okay, so I again repeat this. Okay, numerator get multiply with numerator, denominator get multiply with denominator. Okay, so that way that the answer will become this. Okay, so we have seen word problem as well. Then reciprocal, how to convert divide sign into multiplication sign. Okay, here reciprocal 7 ka reciprocal is 1 upon 7, 5 upon 13th reciprocal is 13 upon 5, and 6 upon 7 is 7 upon 6. Then we have seen how to convert this divide sign into multiplication sign. Once we convert the divide sign into multiplication sign, our second fraction become our second fraction get inverted, right? Our second fraction get inverted. So 1 upon 4 becomes 4 upon 1. Now numerator get multiply with numerator and denominator get multiply with denominator. Now 2 4s are 8 upon 3 1s are 3. Likewise, we have to solve all the sums, right? Here also same we have done. Okay, and in this way the chapter is completed. Okay, thank you very much everyone.